right. God bless you. Welcome back to this channel. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz, right? If you've not clicked the subscribe button, please do that, because we have over 600 piano content on this channel, quality ones, and you will be learning a lot by clicking that. Okay, so in this tutorial, I want to show a lick that I learned from Jamal Hartwell, gospel musicians, many years ago. I can't remember the year he played it, but then when he started, we benefited from his ministry. We thank God for his life. Right, we thank God for his life, and he also I must say the good works he did back then 12 15 years ago was part of what inspired me to also start my channel. That was 8 years ago also. I think around 8-9 years ago, yeah, to teach people, because I saw the way was, I mean, giving us a great stuff then. Okay, so I'll be in the key of F sharp. I have to learn this in the key of F sharp. We learned all this triton from it. Wow. Right, we learned all this stuff from it before Casey and Co came in. Okay, so all right, so this I'm gonna be in the key of F sharp, like I said. Right, if you don't know that, you should type it in the comment section so I can send you our beginners video, right? So you can learn from the beginners. Okay, so the licks goes like this, right? It goes like this. Maybe you have something bluesy. You can also just right. So it goes like this. So it goes like that. One more time. Slowly now. I'm already teaching. I'm not taking your time, right? So again. Then 2 1 2 to minor third to 1 again to 6 to 5 to, let's do this, to 1. So let's start that. So you do something like this, your 3 fingers. I'm sure you can see those 3 fingers. That's after the pinky, the index finger, the middle finger, the wedding finger, what's it called? Is it marriage finger? Right. So it goes like so you can do that. Right. So let me show you some other stuff you can also do. For people who play well in F sharp, you should be able to do stuff like this. So look at it. Your 5, I'm holding 1 on both ends with my pinky. Then I have on my left 5, I have on the right 3. So I'm taking them down chromatically. Then back up. Then I'm doing flat 6, flat 7, minor 7, flat 6 on left, and simultaneously I'm doing 4, 5, 4 on right. So right, then the right does 2, 4, 3, while the left does 4, minor 6 to 5. So together, then one more time slowly. So fast it goes. Alright. And don't forget. Yeah, you will do something like this also. There was one I learned from I can't remember. It's been a while. He did a great job then. I celebrate him greatly. I remember myself at the great Johnsonkeyz. Please click the subscribe button. Right, for many more lessons. God bless you. Bye.